Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the launch failed error on Epic Games using a PC. Let's get started. First, close the Epic Game Launcher completely. Check the system tray to make sure it's fully closed. Now right click on Epic Game Launcher app. A small menu will pop up. Select on Run as administrator. This gives the launcher full permission to open the game. Now next step is go to your Epic Game Launcher. After that click on Library. Find the game that won't launch. Click the three dot. After that click on Manage and select Verify. Epic Games will scan and fix any corrupted or missing files. Make sure the Epic Game Launcher is allowed through your firewall and antivirus. Disable any VPN temporarily as they can block connection to the server. Update your graphics drivers on Windows. Outdated drivers or system updates can prevent games from launching properly. And that's it. Run the launcher as admin. Verify files. Check firewall VPN, update drivers and reinstall it if needed. That's all for today's video guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.